So we're in Blackpool this morning and we're on the promenade. Don't know how far we can get because apparently the promenade is shut this morning for a charity fun run till about 4 o'clock this afternoon. So that could ruin things. We'll have to see. Coming to the mirror ball, and that's really glistening, nice. It's looking really good. Just check that out. All looks absolutely amazing. You've got Nick there. He's enjoying himself. So we're walking down towards the pleasure beach. Nick and Daryl are in front there. It's a beautiful day, really nice and warm, and enjoying the walk. I'm just going to have a look at the sea, see how that is and if it's in, which we'll have a look at here. It looks right in. I'm just going to go down here now and just have a look at the sea, and it just looks absolutely amazing. Like Daryl's just said, he's never seen the sea so calm. It's like being in Spain or somewhere like that. It's absolutely amazing. Look at that, check it out. So if you look at the sea there at the bottom of the steps, it's just like a lake, isn't it? Like a pond. And we've got here all the holes in the seawall there. But no, the sea's just remarkably calm there. Let's just have a look at it that side as well. It's amazing. Tide right in. I don't know what time the tide is due out, but it's just like I say, the sea. I've never seen the sea here at Blackpool so calm. It's just remarkable. See the big one there? I haven't actually seen anything happening, so I don't know whether it's open yet or whether it opens later on today. But I think they've just renovated that.
Sweet laugh, big heart, you smile that could light up the dark. Strong faith, close family, choosing love in the midst of tragedy.
I've just missed the big one. I've just seen that go up and down, so there's definitely running today. Let's just zoom in and have a look at that for you just there. Pretty amazing. Virtually to the pleasure beach. I don't know whether you still have to pay to go in the pleasure beach or whether they let you in now and you just pay for the rides, because they were on about that. But before you ever wanted to go in the pleasure beach, you had to pay, whether you went on the rides or not. And right in the middle, I'll zoom in there for you, you can see the Blackpool Tower. So I don't know how far you can actually get up the front, whether it's blocked just here or what for this fun run. It's going to be a shame if it is. But there's nothing we can do. It's just, unfortunately, one of them things. So we're heading the back streets of Blackpool due to the promenade being shut. I think you can see the tower in front, and it's probably somewhere I've never really been here before. So the road's closed there, so we've had to make another detour, unfortunately. So we're still making our way through the back streets of Blackpool here. You can see directly in front of me there the Blackpool Tower. Not sure what road we're actually on, but it's quite chaos. But hopefully we keep heading towards the tower and we'll get where we want to go. I think we are trying to head to Fleetwood at the moment. But I suppose it's good because I am seeing parts of Blackpool here now which I probably wouldn't have seen or haven't seen, if that makes sense. Look at all these different shops there, and there's always a vape shop. Grill and barbecue there, eat in or take away. So we keep going. I've just come through some area there, I couldn't get the camera on, but there's still a lot of places here like actually closed and boarded up. Cost cutter foods. So we're coming now really close to the tower. Can't turn left there because it says the promenade's closed. So we're just keeping going this way at the moment. Fish and chip shop there. So you can get plenty of food. Another traditional fish and chip shop, the other side of the road there as well. We're right near the seafront, but we can't still get there. We've got to go this way. It's still closed for this fun run, charity fun run. But we are carrying along here, and we are heading up towards the other end of Blackpool. And like I say, we're just seeing different things here that we probably wouldn't have seen. So I'm not sure where we are. I think we're coming now to the seafront, and it does look like it's still closed. Yeah, there's still runners now, like, unfortunately. So it looks like it's still closed here, so we need we need to go further and further up here. So we've just got to Glynn Square, and it's still closed at Glynn Square, but that was the end of the ride. We're still going down these back streets here. I don't know when we can actually get on the promenade yet. Such a shame. I was hoping bring you a video with the GoPro all along Blackpool Promenade, but that's just not going to happen today. But at least we've got you a little bit of footage, and we're coming now to the promenade, but we're well past Glynn Square now, so you can see the promenade here. But we're right up to where the Doric is. So there's the Doric Hotel. So there's still some quite nice hotels here, really good. Look at that one there, it's like a castle. As we start heading up here today. So we are coming into Cleveley's here now. So we have had to leave Blackpool because, like I say, we're not going to be able to film that for you today with all the fun run. The road's completely blocked, so all these flats are overlooking the sea. And one there got a Union Jack. So like I say, this is the Cleveley's area now of Blackpool. Probably called Little Bispam actually at the moment here. Look at some of the houses. The houses are amazing, really nicely kept, and they're big. So I bet you they're worth quite a lot of money here, right on the front of Blackpool. So we are actually in Cleveley's here now. This is where the tram runs up here. Sounds like we've got a police car somewhere. I don't know where that is. It's probably behind us. Going to come flying past there. Oh, it's an ambulance. So here we are, Cleveley's, on the main road through. It's not the actual town centre. It's just one of the main roads through Cleveley's, but still a nice place to come. So this is right probably in the middle of Cleveley's now, so it's getting busy and busy. On the left, which you probably couldn't see there, we've got Cleveley's street, main street. Oh, we're in Fleetwood, and we're just going to go to the fish and chip shop here and see what we can get. See if we can get anything to eat. So it's a beautiful day. It's not too hot, not too cold. I don't know where this car's trying to come. These are the shops here in Fleetwood. There's one closed there. And like I say, the fish and chip shop here is very busy. There's a lot of people sitting outside. So dinner's here. Daryl's got burger and chips. Nick's trying to have some, and I've got fish and chips. So that should be good.
You are my life. You are my life.
We're here in Cleveley's now, and the tide's still in, and I still can't believe how calm the water actually is. It's absolutely unbelievable. So calm. Quite a few people about, quite a few cars parked, and we're just going to have a walk now, probably up to the top here and back before we head out of Blackpool. Like I say, it's nice temperature. It's not too hot, it's not too cold.
We're a good one, it's alright.
Strong faith, close family.
So it's quieter up the top end here, and I'll just have a look now. The actual tide has started to go out a bit there, so we can see a little bit of the beach here now, which is appearing. So the tide must be on its way out. Daryl and Nick, they're going down to the beach there. Nick's enjoying himself. He's looking back. He's actually looking to see where we are, to be honest with you. So there's Daryl and Nick enjoying looking at the beach as the beacher comes and the tide goes out. So let's just have a look there, and like I say, this is in Cleveley's in Blackpool. Hasn't it changed here? It really has. From what it used to be like years and years ago.
Bought a house with a big backyard. When I met you, something changed in me. I'm better with you than I'll ever be. 'Cause when you walk into a room,
The driveway down here now, so the beach patrol can get down. Wind's got up a little bit now. It is a lot more windy than it was earlier on.
when you walk into a room, life gets a little sweeter. When I look at you, I see a little clearer. Through the years and never change, we'll put up a fight, 'cause you're my love, my everything. You are my life. You are my life.
So we're heading down now again towards Blackpool again, but unfortunately the road due to this run is still going to be blocked off, so we're not going to be able to go through Blackpool. That's a really big shame, but we've had a good day and I think it's time now to head home. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.